Pencil. I have a yellow pencil. Pen. This pen is blue. Eraser. Can I borrow your eraser? Notebook. She writes in her notebook. Book. The book is on the table. Ruler. My ruler is broken. Sharpener. I need a sharpener for my pencil. Colored pencil. He draws with a colored pencil. Marker. The marker is black. Highlighter. Please use a yellow highlighter. Stapler. Where is the stapler? Compass. We use a compass in math. Calculator. My calculator is new. Glue gun. Don't touch the hot glue gun. Backpack. My backpack is very heavy. Sticky notes. I write on sticky notes. Scissors. These scissors are sharp. Gel pen. Do you like this gel pen? Folder. Put your papers in the folder. Tape. I need tape for this box. Chalk. The teacher uses white chalk. Whiteboard marker. This marker is dry. Notebook cover. My notebook cover is pink. Dictionary. He looks up words in the dictionary. Paintbrush. She has 3 paintbrushes. Watercolor paint. I love painting with watercolor. Palette. Mix colors on the palette. Ink. The ink is black. Ink cartridge. I buy a new ink cartridge. Pencil case. My pencil case is full. Book cover. This book cover is beautiful. Calendar. Look at the calendar today. Planner. I write my schedule in my planner. Clipboard. He writes on a clipboard. Rubber band. Can I have a rubber band? Cutter. Be careful with the cutter. Utility knife. This knife is very sharp. Hole punch. I punch holes in the paper. Stamp. The stamp is red. Stamp pad. Put ink on the stamp pad. Magnifying glass. Look at the bug with this glass. Erasable pen. I like erasable pens. Multicolor pen. This pen writes in many colors. Pencil grip. The grip helps my hand. Desk lamp. Turn on the desk lamp. Reading marker. I use a reading marker. Index tabs. Stick the tabs on the pages. Page marker. Where is my page marker? Drafting ruler. This ruler is for drafting. French curve. She draws curves with a French curve.
Thank you for watching.